I thought it's fucking time we played Heavy Rain, and that really lifted my spirits knowing I'm going to be playing Heavy Rain. So I've not played this game in about 10 years. Without further ado, let's fucking crack on, shall we? Here we go. Saturday, 11:22 a.m. I'm already having a much better time than I was with Man of Medan. Yes, he's so proud of himself. I can do this. I can do that. But this will be the last time I do anything successful in this game. Huh? I am. I can't remember the last time I thought that actually as well. Yeah, it's the PS4 remaster, mate. It does look a bit shit, but you know, it is what it is, mate. We've got that shit. The character's thoughts change regularly. Okay. Work, garden, work, garden. We don't.
Nice day outside. Maybe I could squeeze in a little garden time.
No, nothing to interact over here. So I'm just walking around the garden, yeah. Okay. Oh, what's he watching here? He doesn't even sit comfortably. Here we go.
Hey, take it easy. You're gonna knock me over. So this is your big day, huh?
Am I grown up now?
10 years old. That's not exactly grown up, but you're getting there.
Now, can I drive your car?
No, you fucking idiot. That would be against the law, you little prick.
Ethan, can you please help me? Hey, Ethan, I thought I asked you to take care of the plates.
Yeah.
I forgot. They're in the living room cupboard, right?
Yeah, they haven't moved since last time I asked.
Sure. No worries. They've got 50 of the same plates.
Careful, okay?
Don't worry. I wouldn't want to be responsible for a diplomatic incident with your mother.
Don't worry. I don't want to be responsible for a diplomatic incident involving your mother. Shh.
Hey, Ethan, you said you were going to be careful.
Honestly,
Sorry, I'll be more gentle.
all he did was put it down then. This is how I would do it as well. I would do it so, after I've just been told off like that, I would do it so patronizingly like this. Yeah. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Is this good enough for you? Is this careful enough for you? How's this? Is that okay? Is this okay for you? Don't want to damage the plates. Something. If we go underneath there. Go. Ah, come on, game. Yeah, come on, let's fucking absolutely par this kid, mate.
This time you're done for. You're gonna pay for all your crimes, evil one.
Surrender, weakling. Say your prayers.
I mean, pretty decent dad, to be fair. Have a bit of that, prick. You can have some of this as well. Boom. How'd you like that? We don't give him anything. Bang. What else you got, you little bitch? Bang. Yeah? Come on then. Come at me, bro. Hmm? Yes. Your head is on the floor in this imaginary game. And I've just dismembered you as well, so... You're done, sir. Come on. Good attempt, mate. Have to do pretty better than that to go against me, mate. Nut him! Nut him! Yes. Hit him. Bang. Yes. Come on! Get in there! Sorry?
Why isn't Sean at the table?
Oh.
He should be around here somewhere.
Why isn't Sean at the table? Why?
Ethan, please get Sean now.
What does it look like I'm doing? Linda, whatever your name is. Here.
What are you doing? We're waiting for you. Ethan, can you grab Sean?
Oh, what does it look like I'm doing? Honestly, I could not live in this house, man. Oh, here he is.
Sean?
What's up?
It's Merlin. He's dead.
Oh.
He's dead and it's all my fault.
Ah, well.
No, it's not.
Come on, let's get going. Yes, look at this, man. The perfect family life. The American dream. Right before your very eyes. I'm already having the best time. Oh, here we go.
Jason!
He couldn't have gone far. He was here a second ago.
Jason!
Jason, you really shouldn't let her off like that, you know? Awful lot of people in here.
Please, Dad, can I have one? I would really love to have one. Please, Dad, the red one.
Here you go. That'll be $2, sir. Jason, wait for me. Wait for your dad, son.
Wait for your dad, son.
In here.
Let's pay the man. Let's pay the man. You know, just because your kids are a little brat and ran off. Here we go.
It is impossible to try on a pair of shoes with this crowd. Where's Jason?
He was here a second ago. I bought him a balloon. I turned around and he just disappeared.
Disappeared? What do you mean disappeared?
What do you think I mean? Honestly, I would just
I'll go
be
get him.
I'm straight out of this relationship. Find the kid. Get out.
Jason!
Here we go.
Jason! Jason!
Come on, man.
Jason! Jason! Jason!
This is great.
Jason!
Bet he's gone in here.
Jason! Jason!
You gotta milk it for all it's worth, haven't you?
Jason! Jason!
Yes.
Jason! Jason! Jason!
There we go. Red balloon. It must be him.
Jason! Jason!
Try and cut him off.
Jason! Jason! Jason, God, you really... Jason!
Shout Jason in his face. Look at him. You'll see the same person. Look, that's the same person we just walked past there.
Jason! Jason!
Here we go.
Shit!
Dad!
Oh, I forgot about that. Fucking quality. One down. It's raining quite heavily, isn't it? Raining quite heavily, isn't it? Keep an eye on that little shit, mate. Keep an eye on him. You don't want it to be like your last kid. Let's fucking get out of here. Exactly. That's exactly what happened. He dived in front of the car, and he was very, very clearly in between the car and the child, Jason. Don't know how I managed to forget the kid's name. Jason! David Cage needs to. We need a Q&A. That's what we need. We need a Q&A with David Cage after this. And that'll be the first question we ask. There we go. Is this a list? 4:30 snack, 6 o'clock homework, 7 o'clock dinner, 8 o'clock bed. That's it, mate. So let's just watch TV. He's not having a snack. He can fuck off. No homework, no snack.
If Sean is hungry, he can find something for himself.
Exactly.
It's still early. We'll see about the homework later.
Exactly, mate.
Grease has Sean this weekend. Seems like he can't wait to get back to his mother.
Can you? If he wants a snack, he can get it himself. God, this kid really doesn't like being around here, does he? What's all that about? What are you up to there? What you got in your hands there? Crisps? Huh? Thought we fucking told you. Yeah? Supposed to ask. You don't just fucking get stuff out. This is my fucking house now. Little prick. They're my favourite ones as well. Prick. Little prick.
When the parents came home from church, all their children were gone. They searched and called for them, they cried and begged, but it was all to no avail. The children have never been seen again.
Oh, fair enough.
Come on, Sean. It's time for bed.
Oh, but I never go to bed this early.
You do what I say, mate.
No, you're going to bed now. It won't do you any harm to go to bed early for once.
You're mean. You just want me to get out of the way so you can have some peace. I hate you.
You listen here, you little prick. Alright? I'd still be with my lovely wife if it wasn't for you. And what have you done, eh? Oh, you slam that door. If it breaks, you'll fucking pay for it. God, you can tell the household I broke up that I grew up in, can't you?
I might have been a little bit hard on Sean.
So? That's an indication I should go and speak to him, isn't it? I remember this bit. Because...
Leave me alone. I hate you.
Alright, okay. Oh, he's having a panic attack. Here we go. Sean! 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 Little arrow sign going that way. I promise you, this is the speed it's making me walk. Oh, I thought we were going to get Sean. Sean. Moving on to the detective.
Lauren Winter. Ring any bells?
Nope, can't say it does.
I don't know if you saw, but one of the headlines there was obviously about the origami killer. The other one just said something, going after drugs, it said.
Oh, that Lauren Winter.
Oh, Mr. Lincoln got you speaking, didn't it?
Store on the left at the end of the corridor.
Lauren Winter?
Sorry, I only see clients by appointment.
Excuse me.
Wait.
I have an appointment, actually.
It's $50. I don't kiss and I don't do any weird shit.
Well, then, that's very heavily overpriced. You don't do any weird shit. You charge me 50 quid.
You should take your clothes off. We ain't got all day.
Actually, I'm not a customer.
You waited till she got fucking more dressed up, didn't you?
I should have known. What you want, a freebie?
My name is Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective. The families of the victims of the origami killer asked me to investigate the murders. I came here just to ask you some questions about Johnny.
I already told the police all I know and have nothing to add. Leave me alone.
There'll be other victims if we don't stop the killer. You have got to help me, Lauren. You may know something that can aid the investigation.
Help you? There's nothing you can do. My son's dead. Do you hear me? He's dead.
Well, if you remember anything, the smallest detail, give me a call.
Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O. What do you want me to do? I tried that. I wonder how long we can leave this for. I'm gonna go and pour myself a whiskey. I hope this is still here when I get back with 30 seconds, thank you. We've proved that that's bullshit then, haven't we?
Lauren! Lauren, open up, baby. It's me.
What are you doing here? I already told you I don't want to see you anymore.
Sorry, doll, but I really wanted to see ya. What do you want, asshole?
Lauren, is everything all right?
She's just swell. Now beat it, loser.
Oh my god, he sounded like a bully.
You again? If you're looking for trouble, you found it.
Right, we're obviously gonna get the shit kicked out of us now, guys. Alright? I didn't press anything. Yep. Yeah. This is what we came for. This is what we came for. Oh, give him the chair! Give him the chair! Oh, great stuff. Oh my god. You did indeed, sir. You did indeed.
Bitch.
Come on. Come on.
To tell you the truth, I remember having felt better. He packs a good right hook.
Mr. Shelby,
Yeah.
thanks.
We didn't do that for you. We did that so we could get the shit kicked out of us. So. Let me in, please. I think you'll find I'm a fucking officer, mate.
Got a badge or something, Mr. Jaden?
Yeah. Yeah, of course.
Yoink.
Check.
The Federal Bureau of Investigation, mate. What are you?
I'm looking for Lieutenant Blake. Is he around?
I saw him arrive earlier. He's here somewhere.
Oh, we got those.
Video memo recording. Agent 470.
I mean, is this film set in the future? This game set in the future at all?
8:14 a.m.
So what are these? I mean, I guess it's just Google Glass now, isn't it? I guess, but. Ah, look at that.
Lieutenant Blake, I'm Agent Norman Jaden from the FBI. I went by your office this morning. They told me to be here.
Now, if you're looking for rain, dead bodies, and highways, you come to the right place.
Oh, it's a wise ass, huh?
Bulldozer to stop for 5 minutes. I can't hear myself think here.
I love it. Ah, you're looking for that dead fucking kid, huh?
Are you coming, Jaden?
So, what happened?
Some guy taking his dog for a piss found a body about 6 o'clock this morning. We don't know much more right now.
Fucking
Based on
great
what we've
stuff.
seen, looks like the work of the origami killer.
He's the guy who fucking Gets paper and fucking folds it up and leaves it on his victim. That's his fucking mark, fucking loser. What are we doing here?
Lousy weather, huh? Does it always rain like this?
It rains every fall. Doesn't it do that where you come from?
Well, yeah. Yeah, of course.
Fucking great.
Pretty chilly, huh? Is that a coffee you're drinking there? Harry, comment. The victim is lying on his back. No visible signs of violence.
So it is set in 2011. Then what the fuck is this technology he's got here? What's that about?
Superficial wound on the right thigh. Blood analysis suggests it could be post-mortem. Probably a scratch that occurred when the body was being moved. A small origami figure in the right hand.
Oh, it must be the origami killer. Wait a second.
Back to the office. You staying?
That's a fucking good idea, James.
Yeah, I'm gonna have another look around.
No. Leave.
Take all the time you want.
No, I want to come with you. I want to leave. No. No, don't leave me. For God's sake. Can we leave yet? Yes. Yes. Come on. We get to leave.